Do you know how to compare two lists like in this example, even in case you change some data? Of course, you can compare them through the conditional formatting, duplicate data, but it is not the perfect solution in this case, because you have to copy-paste each name. For this reason, let's use our formula. Equal, filter, we select the row with our invite list, comma, COUNTIF, we select the row with our attendance, comma, we select again the row with our invite list, close the bar, equal, 0, and close the bar. As the result, in one click we compare two lists, and in case if we modify something, it will be updated automatically. Guys, help to grow this channel. Put your like and subscribe.